Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw back to school with Hello Kitty. So let's get started. To draw a cute Hello Kitty, let's first start by drawing her bow. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. So this is the center of her bow. And then from there I'm going to draw the loops. So let's come up and we're going to draw at an angle. So just keep that in mind. So we're going to go up, nice big loop for bow. And bring it right back down. And then same thing on this side. So just get a nice big loop and connect. So once again, just remember it's at this angle. And then we're going to come in here and draw another loop for some details in the inside. So now that we have that classic bow in, I'm going to come to up here, and in between these two loops, I'm just going to come right here and draw her ear and round it off. So it's nicely centered right in here. Then from there, just imagine this is coming down in her head, and so I'm just going to come about right here and just draw a curve for the top of her head, and then I'm going to go ahead and draw the other ear. So just going to take a look at the other side and about right here, then round off the tip and then bring it down. So just play around with it, see what's the easiest way for you to draw it. I just find drawing the bow first and then going with the ears and going around just makes it a little bit easier. So then from there, now that I have her ears in, we're going to go ahead and start to draw her round face. So just imagining this is coming through, and about right here, we're going to come out, nice big curve. So just imagine this is on the other side, it'll be popping out about right here. And then once again, now that we have the two sides, we're just going to go ahead and connect it nice and round. So back and forth to create the head, and about right there, go ahead and connect. There. Okay, so now I have my Hello Kitty head in. Let's bring it to life. And so about right here in the center, towards the bottom a little bit, I'm going to come about right here and draw a little oval for nose. All right there. And then I'm going to come to the sides, come up a little bit to the sides, nice and wide. So about right here, just go ahead and draw another oval. And so same thing on the other side. So about right here. From there, let's go ahead. I'm just going to go ahead and shade this all in and maybe put a little highlight. We'll see. Right there, and shade it all in. But if you want to follow the classic Hello Kitty, just shade everything in, no highlight. Make it a little bit bigger. There. Okay, so now that Hello Kitty's face, oh, we have to draw her whiskers. I almost forgot, very important. So kind of like right here where the eyes are, I'm just going to come about here, and we're going to draw 3 whiskers that pop out. 2 and 3. Just go ahead and thicken them up. And same thing here. So just kind of like where her eyes are. And so about right here. There. Okay, so then we have her whiskers in, then we can go ahead and draw her little body. So right underneath her nose, we're going to come right here, and I'm going to go ahead and draw this curve right here for her sleeve. So right underneath, right here, and draw a curve, about right there. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and connect for a sleeve. Then we're going to draw her little hand, so come out right here, come down, and then we're just going to give a little thumb and then connect all the way back. And then let's see here. So whatever space you have here, we're just going to go, well, you know what? Let's draw her pencil. I'm going to pop in a pencil right here in this hand of her. So in this little space, whatever space I have, I'm going to come right here and draw this pencil. Zigzag right here. Give a little tip because we are going back to school. And then whatever space you have, just go ahead and angle for her body. And so then about right here, I'm going to cut it off and bring this down, round it off, and then we're going to straighten it out and connect for her little body. And we can come right here and just draw a little tail to connect back here and her foot. So I'm just going to pop this part out. Continuing, and then I'm just going to round this off and in for her foot. Bring it down a little bit more. There. Okay, so very simplified Hello Kitty here with her body. And then now that we're done with that, we're going to draw a bunch of books so we can make this a Hello Kitty back to school, right? So right underneath her, we're going to, I'm going to come about right here, right underneath, and just going to come about here. And here, draw a real straight line right under her, and then right about here, I'm going to round it off to create the binding on my book. So then I'll just come right here and thicken this up. So just creating this book right here. There. Okay, and then in between, right in this space, I'm just going to add a line, and we're going to bring this up at an angle and here as well. So it makes it look like she's sitting on the book. And then we're going to add another layer. So let's come right underneath that book. And once again, we're just going to draw a straight line. We're going to do the same thing, but just a bit bigger this time. So about right here, round it off. Once again, we're doing the same thing. So this drawing was inspired by this back to school Hello Kitty figure when I was Googling back to school stuff, and I thought it was just the cutest thing. So hopefully you love it. It helped you draw it today. So we're just drawing this other book, and then right in between, once again, connect it. And we're going to draw another angle out. We're going to pass and then come across, straight, and about right here, we're going to pop it out and just go ahead and connect with a curve for our second book. So then next to this book, we're going to draw a bunch of books. So right next to it, so let's just say about right here, try my best to draw a straight line down next to it. And about right there, I'm going to go across, just round off the corners a little bit so it's not too harsh. And then I'm going to go up one more layer, round off the tip, corner I mean. Bring it down, about right. Make this one a little bit lower. Just change it up, and then one more book, and then down. And then we're going to bring it all the way down. Hopefully I'm still straight. Look at my camera, and then about right there. Now that I'm at the same level, I'm going to bring this down. So these are books right next to each other, standing up. And one here. And so at the bottom, we want to just not go straight across. We want to give a slight curve on each book, just to give it some, how would you say, some depth. So it's not just like a flat rectangle. Give it some volume, I guess. Okay, so then now we have that, and we can go ahead and we're going to come up here and draw a big apple that's sitting in this on the book. So I'm going to come about right here. I'll just start the little dip on our apple. I'm going to go up Nice and big, about right here, and sitting about right here. So just going to bring this other side down to here. So now that I look at it, this is a little, make this one a little bit straighter so that it matches this side. Round it off. Okay, then from there we're going to draw a stem for our apple right in here, and then a simple leaf popping out. There. So hopefully that, you know what, I'm just going to pop this out, make it rounder so it matches that side a little bit better. Okay, so then now to decorate our book, let's come about right here. I'll make this one with a heart. It's all up to you. I'll just draw maybe a little line here. Another small heart right here. So it's all up to you how you want to decorate your books. Or what kind of books they are. Maybe this one has a heart down here. And that is pretty much it. Hopefully I haven't forgotten anything, but I really hope I've inspired you to draw this Hello Kitty that's going back to school, and that I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.